In the dark mountains of Indonesia, there's a volcano that glows electric blue. It's called Kawah Ijen, and every night it burns like something out of another world.
But it's not magic. It's chemistry and fire.
Deep inside the crater, molten sulfur seeps through cracks in the earth. When it meets oxygen, it ignites, flames reaching over 1,000 degrees Celsius. The result? Rivers of blue fire, flowing like liquid lightning down the slopes. The air is thick with toxic gas, so miners who work here move through the night with gas masks and torches, harvesting chunks of every step they take is a battle against poison and heat. And yet, they return every day. Kawah Ijen is more than a volcano. It's proof that nature's beauty and danger are often